Welcome travelers, I'm currently at Oslo Airport and I'm gonna fly to Berlin today. My flight will be operated by a new airline called Flyr. The airline is based in Oslo and was founded in 2020. Today's flight will be operated by a Boeing 737-800. I already arrived at the gate area. It seems that my flight will leave on time. So let's don't waste time and get on board. Today's plane is 10 years old at the date of travel. I'm sitting on 20F today. Every passenger got a bottle of water when boarding the plane. The aircraft is quite modern and is equipped with the Boeing Sky Interior. Also, the legroom is quite good. When I read the magazine, I noticed that the airline operates more routes than I thought.
Flight to Berlin. It's your captain speaking. My name is Sean Gabay and I'm sitting here today together with my good colleague Lucas Calvia. We have everyone aboard and just close the doors now. We'll be ready for departure very shortly. The flight time today to Berlin, 1 hour and 25 minutes. Weather-wise down there, it's nice hot summer weather, 29 degrees, clear skies. We'll be back with an update once we get a little bit closer to our destination. Hope you're comfortably seated and wish you all a very pleasant flight.
If you really wanna know, I'm full of self-doubt. And to be honest, it has never brought me down. No, 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 no. I'm really glad I'm not walking around believing my inflated ape brain has figured it out. Suddenly you realize that everything you'd ever told yourself were lies. And believe me, I can sympathize, 'cause everything I ever thought I was made me cry. Like
The crew served a complimentary coffee or tea, which is a rare thing nowadays. Until now, everything on this flight surprised me in a positive way. The aircraft is very modern and the crew is very friendly. Let's have a look at the onboard menu. There are several options to buy drinks and some snacks, but in my opinion everything is a little bit too expensive.
Gulvet må plasseres godt innunder setet foran deg. Se også til at alle vinduskjermer er helt oppe og alle armlendere er nede. Toalettene er nå stengt.
After 1 hour in the air, we already started our descent into Berlin. Welcome to Berlin. This was my flying experience flying Flyr. Everything was fine, including the ticket price of 50 euros, which I paid for the flight. I definitely would fly Flyr again. Thank you so much for joining me on today's flight. See you next time in one of my next videos.